Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you Brother DCP L2541DW printer which awkward error paper jam. So you can see here printer is in our ready condition, and let's give some copy. Start for copy, and it will initializing the printer, and it will pick the printer, and hence the message show jam inside front cover. Pull out the drum unit completely. So let's check. So when we open the drum cover and pull out the cartridge unit, hence we can see our paper is in jam, particularly in near the edge of fuser, and it will slightly squeezed here. So first let's check what is the problem. Again we inserted the drum unit and cancel the command, and removed all the papers from paper tray to check whether the fuser unit is moving or is there in problem in fuser unit. So our printer is in ready condition. Now we should go for a copy to check what is the problem. This is the back side of printer. So first let's check. When we are giving a copy command, and you can see the rollers, the fuser, the pressure roller is not rotating. So let's check why the fuser is not rotating, the pressure roller and the fuser roller. So let's check. तो दोस्तों फाइनली जो है इसका फ्यूजर मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, इसलिए पेपर जाम का एरर आ रहा था। तो इसमें हमने जो है फ्यूजर चेंज कर लिया और एक फ्यूजर डाल दिया। आप देख सकते हैं अभी हमारा प्रेशर रोलर मूव कर रहा है। तो चलिए प्रिंटर क्लोज करके प्रिंट चेक करेंगे। ये हमारा मूवमेंट हो रहा है। ये वाला हिस्सा पूरा टूट गया था, तो इसके बदले हमने एक नया फ्यूजर, यूज्ड फ्यूजर लगा लिया। And our printer is ready.